the fire. Now keep it, everybody. And now we're waiting for one walk to start to smoke. This one start to smoke. All right? Everybody pick up your meat and bring a heat on a side. Bring it to the middle. Now we start to count, everybody. One,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
Turn it.
Around the meat for the other side. Don't worry, because something happens. Now we start to count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Bring the first part of the vegetables, onions, bell pepper, and yellow chili. If something green and gold in a different order, doesn't matter. Now shake it!
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Bring the second part of the vegetables.
Second part of your vegetables.
Shake it again!
Shake it! Yes, chef.
Alright, shake it again! Now, pisco time!
Pisco. Down below.
Drop it in the middle!
In the middle.
The soup! They get all the stuff! Now mix it with your spoon!
The soup.
Now bring the last part of the vegetables! Okay? So cilantro and onions! Bring it all! Come on!